Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. I'm checking out this Comica Vimo Q wireless microphone. This comes with 4 of them and a battery charger case and everything. So these are super nice. I actually have this particular one in the black. As you can see, I have a black shirt on. So big fan of Comica products. My last 2 microphones were Comica. And one I was using was like a lavalier mic one. Cat kind of chewed that up, so I went with this one, the Vimo Q. Excellent sound quality. That's what I'm using right now, actually. So right on top, we have our little warranty card and things like that. But check this out. Comica is super. I've been really happy with their products. So here is this one here, a nice white case. This just unzips. Of course, right here we have our battery indicator and the charging port right there. So very cool. I like that all these are nice and white. I wear a lot of white t-shirts, and so this is just going to be able to blend in a little bit better than having these like little black pom-poms on my white t-shirt. So these are all white, the little microphone wind covers. Very cool. Looks like a little polar bear there. Come on out of there, little guy. Oh my goodness. Didn't want to get out of there. All right. All right, there we go. So what's very cool about this is here's my one I'm using right now. I have 2 more microphones in here, and here's the Comica, the part you plug into your phone or your computer or whatever, and this tells your volume, the battery, the readout, what mode it is, and everything like that. So that's very nice. All right, so this is all the little things. We got the 4 little microphone covers for if it's windy out. We have some camera switches, and for smartphones we have a little charging USB-A to USB-C. All this is nice and compact, so we just take these little blue plastic things off here, and that's going to allow us to charge it, of course. So let's take all these off. All right, the last one here. So it's just got this little blue cover right here on the nodes connections. Kind of just take that off, and then on the case right here, just kind of pull this plastic out. It's actually pretty satisfying removing that, so if I can get it out of there. It doesn't want to let go of my finger. All the other ones came out real easy, of course. Naturally, the last one that I'm trying to record on. Oh my goodness. No way. There's no way this is happening right now. There we go. Okay, so I made it look harder than it was, apparently. All the other ones came out really easy. So when you place these on your little recording device, it's going to bring up the Comica logo, and it's going to tell you all your little specs of each thing that is plugged in. If these things do, like sometimes if you plug this into something else and it forgets the microphones, all you got to do is put it back in its case, and it's going to tell you everything that you need. So I've been using this particular one for quite some time, and I'm really happy with it. So this one has a little light indicator on here, so that's on the blue light. You can just long press the middle button, and you see the light turns green. Hopefully you can see that. And that is just, it's a sound, oh my goodness, what's that? Wow, I'm having a mental block. So it's the background noise reducer, whatever. Yeah, wow. So I always run, when I'm making my videos, I always have that on there. It just reduces the, like if I'm crinkling up papers or something like that, or someone's yelling in the background. Not yelling, but you know what I mean. So that's gonna fix that. So these automatically, as soon as you unplug them, they'll sync up. I've never really had any issues. Like maybe a couple times. I've had it, I plug it into my phone, and then I plug it into something else or whatever. So a lot of times if I'm making short videos with these, I'll just plug this into my phone on here and plug this in there. I just need a USB-C to USB cord to do so. and that way I can use the audio right off this. Just go into Pro Video mode, and we're good to go on that. So, anyways, I'll just use my computer. I'm just going to switch it real quick over to my PC, and as simple as I just have this plugged into my PC, and it's always been just plug and play. So I'll do that real quick, and we'll test the audio. So. All right, so here we go. I got these plugged in now, and right here I have my just plugged into my PC. So I got the volume at 3. I think with my black ones I had it at 4, so maybe it's a little high. I don't have the sound card in my computer, so it's not the best for rendering that. But I think the volume around 3 default is pretty good. So I got kind of cheap speakers as well. So my trying to register like how good my sound is coming off of this is kind of difficult. But where I move my head, if it's out windy or whatever, it's got really good sound quality. I like the cases, both of them. Obviously, they're the same, just one black and one white. Just super handy. Sometimes I have to go away from my home. I don't have a place to plug this in or whatever. I take this on the road and I can just zip this up. It's going to keep everything charged up. I'm not sure the battery capacity on this, but it's a long time. So I'll just leave this like on my desk and have it charge my things, keep them fully charged. And I only have to like maybe plug it into actually into the base station here. Not very often, and it just keeps everything ready to go. I like to have 4 microphones, so if I need more than one, I usually wear 2. I'm not sure why. I made like an hour video before one time, and one of my lavalier microphones like stopped working, and it was like no sound. So I'm like kind of paranoid. So I have 2 microphones. I don't know. That's just me, but it seems to work okay. And I'm really happy with this product. Like I said, I've been using it a long time. I've dropped them on the concrete, and they've been working fine. So yeah, they're durable, good sound quality, easy to adjust, easy. It's plug and play. If I use it on my phone, USB-C to USB-C in there, plug it in, put it on Pro mode, and I got it's recording the sound off there, no problem. I've never had to like troubleshoot or anything like that. So yeah, just super handy. A couple times I guess that I've plugged in the bass and then like had the power off for a long time, and then I just needed to. If you need to like resync the microphone or whatever with them, just take off the microphones and the little bass station, just put them in there, and they basically like reset the syncing, and so they work perfectly. But anyways, yeah, I've been using this a long time for my video content. I'm really happy with the quality, the durability, the ease of use. Can't really say enough good things about it, my friends. I'm super impressed. Anyway, so if you're looking for a nice little upgrade for your vlogs or YouTube or TikTok or whatever, the Comica Vimo Q is highly recommended. You guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you all next time.